Hi, I suspect you're here because you want to learn more about the Online Business Manager. Perhaps you're a virtual assistant already or another service provider and you're looking to upskill or uplevel your service. Perhaps you're bored of the ticking off the tasks and want to get more into the strategy and the more strategic thinking and spotting opportunities and helping clients to grow. That is what is at the heart of the Online Business Manager, and that's exactly what EleVAte, our Online Business Manager course, is designed to help you move into. Hi, I'm Paula Edwards, and I'm the founder of Advanced Virtual Assistants. We set this business up in 2016 and have been going strong ever since. We have a team of virtual assistants delivering services to our clients and online business managers, and we have the Academy with the VA course and Online Business Manager course. Our Online Business Manager course is called EleVAte, and it's not just another online course. I don't just give you a whole heap of a library of recordings and text. I teach it live. You have all of those assets, of course you do. You have the videos, you have the content, you have the downloads and the workbooks and the swipe files. But I also teach it live, and that's so important to me because I think it's really important for me to see that you're progressing and you're understanding what I'm sharing with you. I have managed operations and teams and launches, marketing, finances, and strategy, and I share every single thing with you. Every single service that I've delivered in either the OBM role or the DOO role, I'm sharing with you. I hold nothing back. So the reason I wrote EleVAte is simple, really. My clients needed more of me in their business, and I just didn't have enough hours in the day. And there was only just me, and the demand was greater than I could personally deliver. So I decided to train people all that I know, so that I know that we've got more of us to employ. And that's how EleVAte came about, in all honesty. By the end of EleVAte, you will not only understand what the OBM role is, but you will be one. You will fully embody the OBM role because I share every single step and all my knowledge with you, and you will have all of the skills and the mindset of how to manage the team, streamline operations, build systems, create strategy, etc., etc. So you will have everything you need to just move straight into that online business manager space. But we also have a lot of support around the mindset. We have our own in-house mindset coach to help you make that mental shift from whatever you're doing now into moving into a more of a leadership role. So when you choose EleVAte, you're choosing more than just the course. You're choosing to walk with me and have me as your mentor, hand-holding you every step of the way, who's already faced challenges and created real results for my clients. And I share all of this with you. But I bring the honesty and the transparency, the depth and a genuine passion for helping to develop you into becoming what you dream to be, what you aspire to be. So if you're ready to step into the OBM role and ready to elevate your business and your career and yourself, click below. Come and join us in the next cohort. I'd love to see you there.